Hi guys, my name is Kelsey and I'm here to help you get started with your new Apprenticescope account.
Okay, we are almost to the end. We are in our invite tab down at the bottom left, and this is how we invite new users to Apprenticescope. So we have two different methods here. So authenticated means that when I send out an invitation, that person will have access to their account right away. So let's walk through it. So we have two different options here. We have invite teammates or invite to employer. Invite teammates means we are going to invite additional sponsor level administrators. So you are a sponsor in the system. If you have, a coworker who needs to see all the same things that you need to see, you're going to invite them as a teammate. So once I choose invite teammates, I click user type and sponsor is the only option. And then once I enter their email, let's say test@.com. Once I click this blue plus button, I have the option of sending invitations. Once I send invitations, this person is going to receive an invitation to their email right away, and they'll be able to create their account and log in. So same logic for invite to employer. So if I choose invite to employer, I choose the employer, click continue, and here I have more options when it comes to user type. I need to invite a new apprentice to the system. They just started their program. So I choose apprentice, enter their email, choose their occupation. Once all these fields are filled in, I'll have the ability to click this blue plus button, and then I can hit send invitations. So this apprentice is again going to receive an email right away, and they'll be able to access their account immediately. So the flip side of the coin is the managed route. So manage means just that. You are managing their account until you are ready for them to have access. So it's great when you're just getting started. You'd like to have everything set up, get their past OJT, past RTI uploaded into the system, get everything configured correctly, and then have people log into their account. So with managed users, you can either upload them individually. So choose the employer, enter their email, user type, first name, last name, occupation, and then you can see the difference here. It doesn't say send invitations anymore. Now it says create users. So you're simply creating their account until you want them to have access to them. So they're just a data entry at this point. You can edit everything, get everything set up, and then when you're ready, you have the option of converting them to an authenticated account. Also, in order to save some time here, you can batch upload these managed users as well. So once you click on this, you can follow the instructions here where you can generate a CSV file and then create upwards of hundreds of users at a time instead of having to individually create them. Great, and then our last tab over here is invite links. We've already touched on it a little bit when it came to the applicant portal, but this is also another way of inviting users to the platform. So again, instead of having to individually invite people to the platform, you can create a public landing page. So let's see if I have any good ones set up. So this one's labeled apprentices for numerical control machine operator at Apprenticescope. So that means anyone with this URL or QR code will be able to create their account as an apprentice for this occupation at this employer. So you can do any type of configuration, choose the employer, occupation, user type. You can choose supervisor, mentor, admin, all of them. And then once you create that link, you have the option of just copying the URL. You can create a QR code, or you can embed the HTML code directly into your website. So again, it's a public landing page, but it could also pose as a job posting, a job application, and lots of options. But how to bring new users into the system, you will do that all from your invite tab. Whether you want them to have access right away or not, that decision is up to you, but keep in mind that you have two options here, authenticated or managed.